Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Experiencing frustrating Wi-Fi issues with your PlayStation 5? You're certainly not alone. Many gamers encounter slow speeds, drops, or even complete disconnections, which can really interrupt your gaming sessions and online play. But don't fret, we've gathered some powerful new tips for 2025 that can help you get back online smoothly and reliably. Let's start with the basics, as these often solve the problem. First, fully power down your PS5 and unplug your router and modem for about 1 minute, then plug them back in. Also, verify that your general internet connection is working fine on another device. If you're able, try moving your PlayStation 5 closer to your router, as physical distance can impact signal strength. Now, let's optimize your network settings. If you're currently on a 2.4 GHz network, try switching to 5 GHz. It offers faster speeds and less interference. For the most stable connection, though, nothing beats a wired Ethernet cable directly to your router. You might also want to log into your router settings and adjust the Wi-Fi channel to a less congested one for improved performance. Diving into your PS5 own settings can also work wonders. Try manually configuring your DNS to public servers like Google's 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Another powerful step is to go into your PS5 network settings and reset them completely. Always make sure your PlayStation 5 system software is fully updated, as new updates often include crucial bug fixes. For those persistent issues, consider these advanced steps. If you're using any VPNs or proxy servers, try disabling them temporarily, as they can interfere with network stability. You could also try rebuilding your PS5 database from safe mode, which can sometimes resolve underlying system glitches affecting connectivity. If all else fails, don't hesitate to reach out to PlayStation support for personalized help.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.